What's up guys, my name is Blake and today we'll be checking out a great new product from Nitrous Express. So today we're taking a look at a brand new solenoid bracket, which is seen here, part number 15767, and this is going to be used on your 2011 and newer Coyote 5.0 Mustang. Now this is designed to work only with the factory manifold on Mustang GTs, so this is not an option on your Boss 302 or your truck manifold or any other aftermarket manifold for that matter. The solenoid bracket is designed to bring you a high-end, custom, and attractive look without the hassle and expense of building your own custom solenoid bracket. These solenoid mounting brackets bring you a quick and easy install with ease of access to your Nitrous equipped Coyote 5.0. The bracket will bolt directly in the middle of the intake manifold, allowing you to still utilize your factory intake covers, letting you know that it's powered by Ford. Now you can add a phenomenal look to your 5.0 today with part number 15767. Now for more information on this solenoid bracket or to find another solenoid bracket for your application in specific, you can contact us via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or just give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, check out our other great products on nitrousexpress.com.